Home insurance. Home insurance provides financial protection in the event of something happening to your property and/or belongings. Depending on your policy, you might be covered for theft, fire, flood, loss, accidental damage, and more. What do you mean by home insurance? Home insurance is an insurance policy that covers costs and damage to your home or any insured property. It is a form of property insurance and one of the several types of general insurance products. What is home insurance, UK? Home insurance provides financial protection in the event of something happening to your property and/or belongings. Depending on your policy, you might be covered for theft, fire, flood, loss, accidental damage, and more. What is the difference between home and building insurance? Buildings insurance, on the other hand, protects the fabric of your home, such as the roof, walls, windows, and permanent fixtures like a fitted kitchen, garage, conservatory, and outbuildings. Home insurance protects both your property structure and the items within it. Is it worth having house insurance? Your home is by far the most valuable thing that you own, and many of you will have spent years saving for it. Without insurance, it's unlikely that you'd be able to afford to repair any damage that should occur if a fire or flood should take place, which is why it's so important. Does homeowners insurance cover damp? The worse a damp situation gets, the more it's likely to cost. To repair any damage, most standard buildings and contents home insurance policies do not cover damage caused by damp and condensation. What is the difference between contents insurance and home insurance? The difference between buildings and contents insurance is that buildings insurance covers the physical structure of the property, including the walls, roof, and floors, while contents insurance covers items inside the property, like furniture and freestanding appliances. Do I need home insurance or buildings insurance? If you own a property, you'll need buildings insurance in place to protect you financially. Does home insurance include a building insurance? A general rule for home insurance is that anything which can be removed from the property without causing damage is covered by contents insurance, whereas anything which cannot be removed is covered by buildings insurance. What are the risks of not having home insurance? When you don't have homeowner's insurance that equals the amount you owe on your home, you're in violation of your mortgage contract. Your mortgage lender might find a new insurance provider for you that could have even higher premiums, or not provided coverage you need for your possessions. Can you claim a broken TV on your house insurance? A contents insurance policy should cover most objects inside your home, including your TV and any expensive jewelry. It should also cover carpets and sofas. For example, you should be covered if a burglar breaks in and damages your TV. Does homeowners insurance cover ceiling damage? Standard homeowners insurance policies usually cover structural damage on your property. This includes your foundation, ceiling, flooring, roof, and more. Your policy protects the structure's underdwelling coverage in the event of unexpected damage. Can you insure a house if you don't own it? Most home insurance policies are purchased by new or existing homeowners, but there may be instances when you need to insure a property that you do not legally own. In this article, we look at when you can get home insurance on a property and the different types you may need depending on your situation. Can I insure a house I don't live in? Yes, if your property is up for sale and you won't be living there for a longer period than your home insurance allows, an unoccupied home policy is right for you. You should be able to add unoccupied home insurance too. Your existing policy, so check with your insurance provider. How long can a house be left unoccupied for insurance? Most standard home insurance policies won't provide cover if you leave a property unoccupied for more than 30 days in a row. What can void home insurance? 8 things that could invalidate your home insurance. Asterisk renovations and building work. Asterisk leaving the property empty. Asterisk holiday selfies on social media. Asterisk changes to security measures. Asterisk renting out a room. Asterisk installing a dog flap. Asterisk exaggerating the value of the contents of your home. Asterisk failing to lock the doors and windows. Does home insurance have towed continuous? It's your policy. You can do what you want with it. If you no longer want the cover, you can cancel anytime you like with 30 days notice. If you pay by monthly installments, you effectively only pay for the cover you've had. What are the new rules about home insurance? From the 1st of January 2022, new rules from the industry regulator. The Financial Conduct Authority FCA will mean that premiums charged to all renewing home and private motor insurance customers by their insurance provider cannot be greater than price they would charge to an equivalent new customer. For the equivalent, does building insurance cover lakes? Water damage to your property is usually covered as a standard feature in your building's insurance policy, often referred to as escape of water by insurers. It can be caused by several issues, from burst pipes due to freezing temperatures, to a leaking dishwasher or an overflowing blocked toilet. Are roof repairs covered by home insurance? In a few cases, roof repairs are fully covered by insurance. However, this is rare and most of the time, only part of the cost is covered by home insurance. Full coverage often applies if the roof was in very good condition, was brand new, or if damage was caused by a storm or other freak event, such as a falling tree. What is needed to claim on house insurance? Contact your insurer to tell them you want to make a home insurance claim. It may need details including your policy number, address, and full name. Give as much information as possible about what happened. Take photos for evidence and hang onto all receipts. Will my home insurance go up if I make a claim? If you claim on your home insurance, your premium could increase at your next renewal date. It all depends on the type of claim and how many claims you've had. How much does home insurance increase after a claim? Making a single home insurance claim can drive up the cost of a policy by more than 50%. How does claiming affect your home insurance? If you claim on your home insurance, your premium could increase at your next renewal date. It all depends on the type of claim and how many claims you've had. The price of your home insurance is more likely to be affected by the number of claims we receive as a whole. Why has my home insurance doubled? When it comes to renewing your home insurance policy, you may have noticed an increase in the renewal premium. This can be down to a number of factors, including whether you have made a claim in the last year, if you have changed address, or if the number of people in your home has increased. How do I make a successful insurance claim? 1. File the claim as soon as the incident occurs. Some policies Have a time limit to launch claims when the incident arises. 2. Make a record of everything. Do your best to record accurate times and dates of the incident as. Who pays insurance when you're in a house? If you're renting the whole home, whether solo, with your partner, or as a family, your landlord will be responsible for insuring the physical building. That leaves you to insure the contents, including your possessions and the interior decor. What are the advantages to home insurance? Home insurance provides financial protection in the event of something happening to your property and/or belongings. What are the disadvantages of home and contents insurance? Asterisk if you are underinsured. Your insurer may only pay a proportion of your claim. Asterisk there may be a limit on what you can claim for a single item, and you may have to pay an excess. Asterisk if you didn't take out a new for old policy. You will not be covered for fair wear and tear-to-an item. There are 3 types of home insurance. You can buy buildings insurance, contents insurance, or combined buildings and contents. Is it illegal not to have home insurance? Home insurance isn't a legal requirement like car insurance. But if you don't have cover in place for your home, you could leave yourself vulnerable. Home insurance helps cover the cost. If something happens to your home or belongings, you pay us an amount each month or once a year. So if something goes wrong, we might be able to help put it right. The amount you pay will depend on the level of cover you need. Protect your home and belongings from damage or theft with affordable house insurance. Thanks for watching.